Hi, I'm Sandra Olensky, and I was the lead art project coordinator for Miss Lorri's afternoon class. The inspiration for the art project came from the idea that all children love crayons. We wanted to show the children how crayons can be changed into a different format using heat. In our project, we used canvas, crayons, paint, foam paper sheets, twine, buttons, and glue, all things children love to work with on a regular basis. The concept was we will melt crayons on the canvas so that it takes on a new form: flowers, sun rays, rain, a tree, and some leaves. We started with 3 different canvases. The idea was each one would represent something different. The first canvas, we crushed up yellow and orange crayons, glued them to the top left corner of the canvas, and melted it to look like sun rays. We then glued multicolored crayons along the bottom of the canvas, and when turned upside down and heated, they dripped to look like flower stems. Once we added the buttons for the blooms, you could really see the canvas take shape. The second one we did was a girl swinging in a tree. That one was fun, choosing all the different color brown crayons, adding some black that would look like a tree once melted. When we glued the green crayons across the top of the canvas and melted it, it was a lot of fun to see the shape that it took to look like leaves of a tree, kind of simulating a weeping willow. The third canvas was 2 children holding an umbrella standing in the rain. They absolutely loved this one. The crayons we used for this had glitter in them, and they were metallic. When we glued them across the top and melted the crayons, it was really interesting to see the colors it produced to make it look more like rain. The final result was Melted Crayon series on unity and inclusion. We wanted to use a medium that was familiar to all children. We also wanted to change it into something different with very little effort, something that would surprise the children when the project was completed. We chose scenes that all children could relate to: swinging in a tree, holding the hands of their classmates, or sharing an umbrella in the rain. Showing the children pictures of the inspiration for the art did not make a lot of sense to them until the project was completed. They were very proud of their work and had a difficult time choosing their favorite scene. Explaining to them that crayons were basically wax with color was very interesting to them. They were thrilled when they could melt the crayons and make them melt, run down the canvas, and turn into pools of different colors. The message about helping others, including others, and sharing with your classmates was very clear to them.